Hey everyone! Welcome back to the place where we break down cybersecurity concepts in a way that just clicks. Today we're diving into a classic but critical topic, switching versus routing. These two concepts are the backbone of how data moves through networks, but they serve very different purposes. Let's break it down in a way that really sticks. Imagine your data is like cars moving through a city. Switching is like managing traffic within neighborhoods. It works at layer 2 of the OSI model, the data link layer, and deals with MAC addresses. Switches connect devices within the same local area network, LAN, and forward frames based on MAC address tables. If your computer wants to talk to a printer on the same network, the switch handles that local traffic quickly and efficiently. Routing, on the other hand, is like navigating cars between cities. It works at layer 3, the network layer, and uses IP addresses. Routers connect different networks together, like your home network to the internet. When data needs to go outside the LAN, a router steps in to find the best path and forward the packet to the next hop based on routing tables. Here's a practical difference. Switches are all about speed and simplicity inside a network. They don't care about the internet or the world beyond your LAN. Routers, however, are the gatekeepers. They make decisions based on IP routes, apply access controls, and can even prioritize traffic. A switch learns which devices are plugged into which ports by inspecting the source MAC addresses of incoming frames. It builds a table and uses it to send data only where it needs to go, reducing unnecessary traffic. Routers, in contrast, maintain a map of the network, routing tables, that help them decide the best direction for data to travel, especially when there are multiple paths. Use cases also differ. Switches are ideal for connecting computers, printers, and other devices within offices or homes. Routers are used to link different buildings, cities, or countries. In fact, the internet is just one massive collection of interconnected routers. So in summary, switching handles traffic within the same network using MAC addresses, while routing connects different networks using IP addresses. Both are essential, and together they make modern networking possible. We also have a whole playlist of videos covering networking concepts, including training that aligns with the CompTIA Network Plus certification. Be sure to check it out if you're ready to go deeper. Give us a like and hit subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Catch you next time.